Hey guys, I AhteVirus. Today going to tell about user interface or UI and how many options are there in Sketchware for making UI. UI or user interface is the visual part of a program which attracts users. UI is what you see on the screen, what you touch like buttons, progress bars, labels, etc. Now, if we see in Sketchware, we have several widgets and layouts. I will cover up in next video with types of widgets and its properties, and also types of layouts and its properties. In Sketchware, if you create UI, the source will be generated in XML language as the coders use while coding with Android Studio. So here you can see the source code, and this is in main.xml, your main XML file. So, and like this. So basically today I just wanted to give a little idea about UI, and yes, we can make UIs easily in Sketchware by just dragging and dropping, as you can see here. Just long click the widgets or layouts and simply drag it in the screen, and you can see that how these are working. And also you can delete it easily. Just long click, select and drag to the dustbin. Simple. If you have problem, simply comment below. I'll try to cover all. If you all want to ask something personally, then text me to my social platforms and like the video to let me know about my work, whether good or any problem with all these stuffs. And also subscribe to my channel to stay tuned with me. Links of my social media and Sketchware app is given in the description.